Dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm Tamara Kachala, director at Cherkasy State Technological University in Ukraine. Being responsible for research and science at the university, I am involved in many research projects. Personally, I have more than 250 publications. Here are some of the latest achievements that I am sure will help Ukraine to integrate into the European Union and gain image of the developed country with great potential. In spite of being a leader among Central and Eastern European countries is the number of IT professionals that graduate from the universities, Ukraine experiences a shortage of IT professionals. To provide our country with highly qualified specialists, we develop the innovative educational technologies. A learning system based on Moodle has been designed and implemented for the blended model of learning and teaching. The university has received free license program from the IT Academy Microsoft. In January 2013, the memorandum about the establishment of Research and Teaching Center of Hewlett-Packard was signed between the Hewlett-Packard Company and CSTU. The testing center has been established in CSTU on the basis of Certipod Company in cooperation with Hewlett-Packard. The center has trained 30 teachers in the program Hewlett-Packard. We also established a technology incubator on the university to enable our graduates to organize effective businesses in the market economy conditions, applying new technologies. CSTU Techno Incubator provides a great opportunity to realize our research results. Developing Techno Incubator, CSTU, in cooperation with Belarusian and German partners, established the Center for Micro and Nanotechnology. We have also the Center of Laser Cutting and Laser Processing. All accomplishments have been presented at the conference, International Conference on Engineering Education and Research in Morocco, and 6th Annual Euromed Conference in Portugal in 2013. We initiated the participation in Tempus project, leading and managing change in higher education. On July 12, 2013, National Tempus Office in Ukraine visited Cherkasy State Technological University with a monitoring mission. The results of our work received good evaluations. We realized the importance of training skilled people ready to meet high job requirements. I have always done my best to prepare our students to best fit the globalized community. We address the shortage of talents today in order to avoid huge problems in the future. Thank you for your attention.